Hey guys, my name is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the very beautiful song, The More I Seek You by Zach Neese. Very easy song to play. I'm going to be primarily using open chords up the neck. Very easy to play, very easy to learn, and I think you'll enjoy this. I would like to thank one of my current subscribers, Johnson, who recommended that I teach this song to you guys. I appreciate you, Johnson, for recommending this. Hope you enjoy this song as well. If you'd like to download the lyrics and chord chart, there's a link in my description below to Ultimate Guitar Tabs, and you can download this and follow along as we play and learn together. So let's get started. The more I seek you, the more I find you. The more I find you, the more I love you. I want to sit at your feet, drink from the cup in your hand, lay back against you and breathe, feel your heartbeat. This love is so deep, it's more than I can stand. I melt in your peace, it's overwhelming. Okay, I'm playing this song in the key of E major, and you may have noticed I'm keeping that same E-shaped note up the neck to make two other chords, B add 11 and A add 9. And then the only other fourth chord that we'll be using for this song is C sharp minor. So I'll just show you how to play those chords. First, starting with E major, just place your finger number 1 on the 3rd string of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, then finger number 3 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then you want to strum all strings. That is E major. And throughout the entire song, you want to keep finger number 1 on string number 3 the whole time. So all the 3 remaining chords, or 4 chords total, will require keeping finger number 1 on the 3rd string up the fret. Okay, so that's E major. Okay, to play B add 11, just slide up to the 8th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then you want to strum all strings but this top E string. Let the rest of the strings ring out. It's a very beautiful chord. B add 11. Then to play C sharp minor, just slide up 1 fret, keeping your 1st finger on fret number 9, and then on fret number 11, place finger number 3 on the 5th string of the 11th fret, then finger number 4 on the 4th string of the 11th fret, and then you want to strum all strings but this top string. That makes C sharp minor. Okay, and then A add 9, just simply keep that E shape back again, and we'll go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the 6th fret, strum all strings but this top E string, and that'll be A add 9. Okay, quick review of the chords again. E major, B add 11, C sharp minor, A add 9. So we will be using that same chord progression throughout the entire song. Okay. Okay, for the strumming pattern, I'm just using just downbeats. 1, 2, 3, throughout the whole song, okay? So if we look at the verse, the more I seek you, the more I find you. 2, 3, 4. The more I find you, B at 11, C sharp minor. The more I love you, A at 9. And then as soon as you hit the E major, it kind of starts the first word of the chorus, okay? So let me play through that one more time, and I'll just kind of talk the chords through it, okay? Starting off with E major. Okay, so if we look at the chorus, it's same chord progression. We'll be starting with E, okay? I wanna sit at your feet, drink from the cup in your hand, lay back against you and breathe, feel your heartbeat. This love is so deep, it's more than I can stand. I'm melting your peace, it's overwhelming. Okay, it's a very simple song to learn. It just simply repeats those same chord progressions over again. And you can sing the chorus and the verses over and over again. Just let it be very worshipful to sing. The words are very true. The more I seek you, the more I find you, and the more I love you. Great song. I want to thank Johnson again for recommending this song. I appreciate it very much. Very beautiful song, and I hope everyone enjoyed it. If you like this video and like to see more lessons like this, be sure to hit the like button after this video. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. It just simply bookmarks my channel and your channel so I can easily be found when new videos have been uploaded. I'd like to thank my current subscribers as well. Appreciate you following me. Appreciate your support. So everyone have a blessed day. God bless you.